More news coming in from the state of West Bengal. Violence over reports of another migrant labourer being beaten up in Bihar. Now, locals claim that another migrant labourer was being beaten up in Bihar and locals started protesting in Murshidabad's Beldanga. A journalist of a popular network went to cover those clashes and he was also beaten up in the state. So, those are the latest visuals that you can see on your screens of those protests. Yesterday, a Bengal labourer was beaten up, was killed in Jharkhand, and right now you see those visuals on your screen where another migrant labourer is being beaten up in Bihar. We have Kamalika joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, please take us through these chaotic scenes unfolding in Beldanga.
See, this is absolute lawlessness. You can see that is there in the visuals. And what happened today is also that some people said that there is some migrant laborer who has been tortured in Bihar. And then again, the people came out in road and they started protesting. Yesterday, when this news came in, day before yesterday, that one migrant laborer was killed in Jharkhand. At that point of time, his dead body was brought in and then continuous protests took place. Yesterday, the administration told them that there will be control room. Administration will take up the issue with Jharkhand, and also the administration took up the issue with Jharkhand. Abhishek Banerjee spoke with the Jharkhand chief minister, but the point is, even after that, this lawlessness continued. Yesterday, one Bengali network journalist, woman journalist, she was molested, she was beaten up. She is in hospital, and today again this protest started, and then one male journalist from a popular network in Bengal, he was also beaten up and attacked. Now, what is this going on? That is a very big question. More so since yesterday, police was absolutely there was no action by police against this lawlessness. That's also a question. When the journalist asked help from the police said they don't have order. So such things were happening. Right now, what I'm getting from my sources is that police is now patrolling there. But the point is, this visual shows it all, that there is absolute lawlessness.